what is twisting? Twisting is a simple movement where your upper body turns from side to side while your feet stay still. So how to do a twisting? So first, you have to stand straight and put your hands to your hips. And the next one is tighten your stomach to keep your body strong. The next one is slowly turning your upper body from the right side while your feet stay facing forward like this. And hold for 2 to 3 seconds and slowly turn back to the center. This. And for the other side, turning your upper body from the left side while your feet stay facing forward like this. And hold again for 2 to 3 seconds and slowly turning back to the center. This. And repeat the movements from side to side. Like this. Twisting. This is twisting your body. I prepared 2 progressions to make it clear. So the first is arm extended twist. So stretch your arms out and follow the step. Like this. And for the left side, repeat the movements side by side. The next progression is called twist with an object. So put the ball at the center or hold the ball at the center and follow the step. Twist your upper body from the right side and your feet is still facing forward like this. And for the left side. And repeat the movements from side to side. That's all. Thank you for watching.